What's up everybody, Android here. So, the most awaited phone of the year, the Nothing Phone 2 is confirmed for launch on July 11, but that doesn't mean reviewers don't already have the phone. Well, MKBHD already posted a hands-on video of the phone, and in terms of looks, the Nothing Phone 2 looks a lot like the Nothing Phone 1, but the new phone have tons of features in it, which you can see in the MKBHD's latest video. But guys, I'm really impressed by the camera quality of the Nothing Phone 2, as the Nothing CEO Carl Pei announced on Twitter that once with the phone, can share some unedited camera samples from the phone. And tons of review websites plus content creators shared some camera samples of the phone, which you can see right here. And yeah, keep in mind that the Nothing Phone 2 samples were captured using the beta version, so I hope the quality of the photos will further improve after the official launch. But still guys, just look at these photos. The detail is on point, plus the photos looks quite sharp and the dynamic range is absolutely on fire. Here are some more samples. You can have a great look. So yeah guys, these were the camera samples of the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. What do you think about the overall camera quality of it? Well, do let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.